Today we're looking at how to divide mentally. So our problem is 81 divided by 3. We're going to start off by listing the multiples of 3. Alright, so we're just going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. So now the next part says to find equivalent name for 81, which is another way of saying let's create an addition problem using the multiples that we just listed to get to 81. So I'm going to start off by going 30 plus 30 plus 21. If you're really good with your extended math facts, you might even know that 30 times 20, so we could do, is 60. And then add 21. Either option would be fine. Okay, so now what I do is I ask myself, how many 3's does it take to make 30? So it takes 10. It takes 10 again, and then 3 goes into 21 7 times. If I come over here to my other example, I have 60. How many 3's does it take to get to 60? That'd be 20. And then how many 3's does it take to get to 21 again? That is 7. So basically what we have here is now an addition problem of how many 3's go in to make 81. You add these up, and we get 27. As long as your totals, your multiples equal 81, you're going to get the answer correct. So this is a little trick to do some mental division, or just one of those strategies to even use on a simpler division problem. All right, for this problem we have 64 divided by 4. So now we need to list our multiples of 4. So I'll go ahead and get started. We have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And we need to find an equivalent name for 64, which again just means let's find an addition problem using these multiples that'll equal up nicely to 64. So I see 2 that are sticking out at me here. Let's go with 40 plus 24, or we could even do, see another one that I like. I see a 32 plus 32. I realize that also equals 64. Alright, so now I ask myself how many 4's go into 40. I know it takes 10. How many 4's does it take to give me 24? That's 6. For a total of 16. Now let's look over here at my 32's. 4 times what gives me 32? I know it's 8. So 8 plus 8 also equals 16. So again, as long as your multiples that you chose to use equal up to 64 or your dividend, you should be good to go. And in this case, our answer is, when you divide 16 divided by 4, your answer is 16. This is typically what is done mentally, so in your head you could do 4 times 10 is 40. I have 24 left. That's 4 times 6. Lump them together. Or again, it just works as another way to divide a simpler problem.